Hey everyone, it's Dylan. We're back again for another week here in the shop. So this week we're actually going to be installing the jamb for that big solid Wenge door, and we're test fitting the door. We explain why we're doing it that way in the video so you guys can watch and see that. We're also going to be finishing up the trestle base for one of our maple dining tables. You guys are going to get to see that half log table with its first coat of oil and the base on it, and then we're also going to demold that white oak dining table that we poured last week. If you guys could also leave a like on this video before we get started, we would really appreciate that because it helps our channel out a lot. Hope you enjoy the video.
Hey guys, so we're here at the job site and we're installing the 9-foot Wenge door here. We're just putting in the jamb today, and we're shimming it up and putting it in place, and then we're going to be installing the door another day, but jamb's going up today and it's going to be great.
So we've pre-fit the jamb on the door now here. We're going to be taking the door out and putting a temporary filler in. We haven't finished the door, and now there's all kinds of custom copper clad detailing that's going on this door. We'll be taking the door to the coopersmith probably for 2-3 weeks at least. To actually assemble our trestle bases now. We're going to be putting these split tenons here through our mortise that we've cut, all CNC prepared pieces, beautifully programmed, and this will just make an incredibly sturdy table base that you could probably park a pickup truck on.
Okay, so you just saw Spencer and Brad glue up those trestle bases. So they leave them in the clamps for 24 hours just to be safe. Like, because it is wedge joinery, we could probably get away with taking the clamps off right away, but we leave them in anyways. And now Joe's about to put the first coat of oil on them. Also, one thing I wanted to mention, we are currently taking pre-orders on resin, so it's en route to us, and there's been such a huge demand. You guys were saying it sold out, so you can place your pre-orders now to guarantee you're going to get resin when it shows up. We also have our Resin 101 webinar release, so the benefit to that is if you purchase the webinar, after you purchase it, if you make another purchase of epoxy, it's automatically going to apply a 10% discount code to that. So if you're buying, let's say, a 30-liter kit, it's actually cheaper to buy the webinar first and then buy your epoxy instead of just buying the epoxy. Okay, so in front of me right now is the half log table. This is from our Why Did We Cut This Table in Half video. We didn't finish this one ourselves here in-house. This actually went to Jekko to get a spray finish. Reason we do a spray finish is for some of our commercial clients, it's just a little bit more durable, and since this is going in a hotel, that's what we decided to put. It still looks really nice. It's not as repairable as Osmo, so that's the only downside, but very, very durable. And we've got the steel base on it from Forge 53 in Edmonton. And then over here, Sauger and John are mounting up one of the magnetic doors. This is actually what's going to hide the power inside. Well, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Next week, well, hopefully next week, we should have our new shipment of resin showing up. We've actually kind of got some delays going on right now because of all the coronavirus stuff, so it's caused our resin shipment to get delayed, and we have a little bit of a backlog of jobs, well, a lot of a backlog. We literally have 18 jobs right now that have been, we have a deposit for them, but we have not done the pour for them yet. A lot of them have been prepped, but within the next week or two, we're going to be pouring resin like crazy, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and we'll see you next time.